Hello friends! Are you looking for something simple, healthy and incredibly comforting? Don't skip this video and make sure to watch to the end. Today I'm making Dal Khichdi, a classic dish that feels like a warm hug in a bowl. For this recipe, I'm using two types of dals, Moong and Masoor with rice. I like to use these dals as they are easy to cook and give a nice smooth texture to the khichdi. You can also use chana dal or any other type of dal you prefer. In an instant pot, add the soaked dals and rice. Cover with water up to about 1 inch above rice and dals. For a softer porridge-like khichdi, you can add some extra water. Add salt and turmeric, then give it a gentle stir. You can also add some vegetables like carrots, peas or potatoes at this step, but I like to keep it more simple. Close the lid and set the timer for 15 minutes on the multi-grain setting. Now let's make the tadka. Heat a medium-sized pot with a mix of ghee and oil. You can also use ghee only if you prefer. Add in all of the whole spices and let them crackle for 1 to 2 minutes. Add sliced onions and saute until they are translucent and soft. Add ginger garlic paste and saute until the rawness is gone. Then add tomatoes and salt and cook until tomatoes turn mushy. Add all of the dry masala powders which are listed below in the description and give it a mix. Finally, pour in the cooked dals and rice. Mix everything well so it absorbs all those flavors. At this point, your mixed dal khichdi is ready to serve. But I like to add a second tadka to my khichdi to take it to the next level. For extra flavor, heat ghee and oil in a fry pan with cumin seeds and a couple dry red chilies. Let the cumin crackle for a minute. Then add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Pour it over the top of the khichdi and then garnish with fried onions and fresh cilantro. Serve with yogurt, pickle and fried popper. Enjoy! If you like this comforting recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.